Working late, YouTubers. Going through the energy drink. Like our friends in the United Kingdom and Europe. We don't have to drink it stinking cold. We can drink it warm. And I relocated the table at this angle. I think it makes the kitchen roomier. It fits quite well with the fridge here. Coat hanger chairs. This shirt got wet in this morning's rain. Take a good look. This will probably be the last time you'll see it this clean in future fridge cams. We got some ice cube trays going there, solidifying. And all this empty space down here, I got my shelves adjusted. Most critical adjustment though is for the energy drink. That fits in back there. And the shelf is adjusted so the tall boys can double back here. Get that air circulation and cooling power in there. Ooh, that one ain't stacking too good. The bottom of that can got ding. We'll have to put that one on the bottom. What happened to this one? This one get banged or no? That one got handled. No, it's a little bit dented. Settling of the contents occurred during shipping. But I'm working on the fine adjustments to make it a home. Hopefully the survey company shows up tomorrow. Last time they were here was in 2021 in August doing a drainage plan layout for the last survey they did for me. But I think this will work. Got some more art hung up here. Walking on the water. Three wise guys. Got a double cross here on this wall. Or post. And a Franciscan Spanish minute, or I forget what they call that one. There's a name for it. Whatever province in Spain or France that's from. Still a lot of chaos here. We're getting it done. I think the organ and the piano fit better on this wall. And we jammed the desk in the corner. Yep. And the decorating touch of the bullet holes in the lampshade can't be beat.